So we'll calculate these new values and then we'll run the regression equation.
Again, yeah.
Okay, with the forecasted values.
True.
Right.
Alright? Then you need go to your second class, your second week's class. You have done some forecasting like this. 2012 data was there and 2008 was there. We have GDP something like this. Huh? And we have used to these variables for the testing, this data for the testing, and we have some 90% 90% forecast accuracy. Yeah? So this is error, we have 10%. It was something like this, right? You run this for your model, you will know how much it is able to forecast. So you will have, from the original value, you will have the information up to 2014. You are done with it. Your step 2 will be to increase it. Alright, run the regression again. And for this, you will have values like this up to 2020. Alright, forecast for this as well. You will have something, you don't put this, but have only this graph up to here to here. Okay. Then,
So this moving average thing, we do that in Excel.
yeah, you can do it in the moving average in Excel. Yeah?
There is no option here to do that. This is just for the regression e-views, huh?
No, not for the EVs. I'm not sure where it is because
Yeah.
the version that I worked in was different.
Right.
You can do it here as well. It allows you the computation.
Okay.
Then this was your scenario 1. In scenario 2, what you will do is, for example, your values are highly significant for real export and remittance. Huh? So you can take only two things into account. Export, everybody is doing that. So remittance, you can take for the remittance and the real aid as well. Look, when you are getting more aid, your GDP is going down.
Yeah.
Huh?
Strange.
It has some story to write. Figure out why it is happening. Someone already has done the research on this. Huh?
Okay.
So when you have the real aid here, huh? So now scenario 2 says if what if your aid increases by 2%. Okay, so what you are doing here, we are saying increase, huh? So here you are multiplying this in the third sheet, huh? This is the first scenario. In the second sheet where you are testing it, you have to change in the second sheet into 1.02 into 1.04. You have to increase this one by 2% every time. So every year, if this goes by 2% up, what happens to your GDP? So similarly, you will have the forecast available for your scenario number 2, like this here. 20.5,
This is for the third sheet.
for the second scenario, yeah, third sheet.
Third sheet.
Third sheet. Huh? Similarly, in the scenario 3, what you will do, the same thing, but decreases by 2%. So what you can do here is into 0.98, 0.96 into x6, 0.94 into x7.
So we choose any variable or we do it for two variables?
No, what I would say is we do for the A and the RMT because export, this is
Yeah,
very,
it's constant,
mundane
yeah, it's
kind of-
always-
everybody is using
Yeah.
so much of it. So if you take A and RMT, it is little different because somehow you have to explain in your article, in
Yeah.
your assignment how it is used. It has to be a little bit new. In your scenario 4,
So we do it for
Yeah.
both, yeah?
no,
Yeah.
for the A, then remittance. So RMT decreases by 2%. Scenario 5, RMT increases by
2%.
Okay. So finally, you will have some graphs like this. This is the 2020 here, 2014. The data you already have. Your GDP might be going like this, and at this point of time, in scenario 1, it is like this. Scenario 2, it is like this. Scenario 3, it is like this. 4 years, 5 years, like this. Huh? By this, you will close it. Huh? This is done. Okay. Everything is clear?
Clear.
Yes.
You were always here,
I'm here.
you know.
So who needs